by Ellie and Max. Today it is episode 2. What are we going to do today, Max?
We will show our viewers some things you can do at home to have fun.
Like a DIY, right, Max?
Right, Ellie?
Let's get started. We have 4 boxes, each with an activity. Which one do you want to explore first, Max?
Let's see. How about this one? Skateboarding. Whoa, Ellie, you really know how to skateboard. That is cool.
Thanks, Max. I'm getting tired. How about you choose the next one?
Good idea, Ellie. Ellie, you can do a March Madness soccer tournament or other sports.
Wow, cool. Nice shot, Max. That looks like fun. Can I choose the next hidden treasure?
Sure, Ellie. Awesome.
Here it goes. Looks like he got tired from playing.
You could totally choose to play with your pets or take a nap.
Well, we have just one more activity left. Can I try again?
Sure, why not?
Let's see what's under this one. Hi everyone, we will show you the secret DIY in this DIY episode.
Making hand sanitizer. First, gather ingredients. Ellie, can you tell us what we need to get?
Wait, I forgot. Max, can you do it?
Sure, you need rubbing alcohol and aloe vera gel. Also, we'll need 10 drops of lemon juice. All set. Now let's try it out. Nice
and clean.
Don't forget to rinse for 20 seconds.
We recommend you consult with your doctor or pharmacist to confirm the recipe. Safety first.
Bye!
Well, that concludes the second episode.
That was fun.
We hope you can tune in next week to watch episode 3. Thank you for watching the Corona